I really feel as though this is going to be a film that you will talk about for a while after you've seen it.
Mark and I met through a mutual friend who works on the Mark and Brian show and has known Mark for, I don't know, 15, 20 years. It was really weird because when Mark and I started talking, you know, the first thing that came to my mind, and we both saw this, was it's Saw meets Seven. You have the Saw fans, you know, sort of the thriller, you know, hostile type audience that really wants that sort of benign gore, that just blatant, you know, here you go, and it's almost shocking. And then you have the Seven mentality fans, the more intelligent, you know, drama-driven psychological thrillers. Well, this script took both of those worlds and combined them together. And it was almost like instantaneously. I had said it to another girl's co-producer in the movie. He goes, well, I know this DP from Saw, would you guys like to meet? What was it, a week later? We're sitting down with David Armstrong. That day he committed, and we got that.
Once we got David Armstrong, and David called in his A crew, and then those people started bringing in the makeup people. So now we've got a really professional crew. Then I started bringing in my actor friends, Kevin Pollak, Dwight Yoakam, Mark Pellegrino. We are doing, even though it is a low budget film, we're doing this literally about as well as a film can be made. I really don't know why having $100 million is going to help you make a film better than the way we're making it. Fantastic performances on every level. The crew is unbelievable. We've not missed a day. We haven't missed a shot. We're on fire right now.
Mark is a sick man for thinking of some of the things that are in this film. But it's great. I think the special effects that I've seen so far are fantastic. There's some spooky stuff, and some of the sets are really... I'm not staying here tonight, I tell you that.